Today I get to meet a group of senior high school students at a school close to Tainan here in Taiwan. We are at the National Peimen Senior Agricultural and Industrial Vocational School.
We have 9 departments. 5 belong to industrial strength, and 3 belong to agricultural strength. 1 belongs to business, and we have machinery, electronics, electric engineering, drafting. Most of the students, their English proficiency is at a basic level. We don't have much chance to talk, to see, and to talk to foreigners. I teach them how to do the self-introduction and then practice the whole night. And this morning they came to me and asked me to hear how well they do.
I came to the school to share a little bit about my culture and background and hopefully encourage students to practice their English and learn about new cultures. But instead I received so much more than what I expected. After such a warm welcoming by the principal and the staff, we went out for a little tour, and I was able to see what an amazing campus they have and all the different programs that students have offered to them, and really, what a great school. But the best part was getting to meet the students, and even though it was only one time that I met with them, I could really tell that they were engaged and really driven students who want to learn. Students who are not afraid to take a risk, and they showed this through their presentations. I felt very welcomed and fortunate to be given the time to be with these students and to share my experiences with them, as they also shared all the knowledge and learning that they're doing in their class. We have students doing a think, pair, share. They're thinking about what you should know about Taiwan. He has a lot to share with us.
Taiwan 是一个岛，并且是内湾岛。
Taiwan is an island and surrounded by the sea.
台湾是一个水果王国。
Taiwan is rich in variety of fruits.
台湾都是美女和帅哥。
Taiwan is full of beauties and handsome.
晚上有夜市，而且都很好吃，例如臭豆腐。
Taiwan is famous for the night markets. It's in every kind of city. You can try stinky tofu, you can buy pearl milk tea, you can eat noodles or steak.
Taiwan is the highest building.
然后皮蛋，然后还有那个珍珠奶茶。
He introduces the delicious food in Taiwan, stinky tofu.
My place in night market is the most popular one.
台湾人很有人情味。
Taiwan people is very friendly.
And I can definitely agree with that. This is my 3rd summer in Taiwan, and I can tell you that not only are people in Taiwan friendly, but they are respectful, honest, hardworking individuals who are interested in learning about new cultures, and they will go out of their way to show you theirs. I would like to thank Jill for organizing this, and all the students, their teacher, and the principal of the school for giving me the opportunity to come into the school and learn from each other. Thank you. 谢谢.